Hello everyone, this is Dan Hussey again from ElliotWaveForcast.com. I just wanted to give a quick update to the Aussie US dollar trade I talked about this week, and now we've seen two trades come from this same kind of anchor, this low-to-low anchor, the extended short setup or the continuation setup that we look for, or I look for in my trading. So again, the trend that was taking us higher in this red B wave ended. The trend ended up switching, and shorts began to take over, driving price action lower from a lows to lows extension from this wave 1 low to lows here in this. Well, the initial setup occurred, as you can see, down into the 75.05 low. So this is a 75.55 anchor. Drawn to lows. This is a kind of a special way of drawing fibs that you may not have seen before. Nevertheless, the low to low extended short traded up into the 75.30s. The initial setup I didn't end up taking. We watched this setup, or I watched this setup for it to go to target. Upon going to target is actually when now we have a setup of a trend and a series of shorts that we can watch to take over. So I look at trading as if I'm tracking maybe prey through the forest or watching footsteps in sand, right? Once I identify a footstep or a singular setup that goes to target, all of a sudden now I have a pattern or the ability to basically track and look for where the next potential setup could be, or wherever that next step would be, right? Because if you're watching footsteps in the sand, the logical place, if I was to ask you at any point in time, where would the next footstep be? You're going to say, oh, well, one step in front of the last one, right? In this case, same anchor, new low gave us a setup drawn from the 75.55, so you can see that 75.55 anchor to the original 75.03 lows, traded down into targets. Same anchor, new low now. All we do is drag that fib down to now this blue wave 3 low. We witnessed the rally in the market up into the 75.20, 75.15 area. We were able to get short and free off of that setup, took it down into the 74.50, 74.40 area for its downside target into yesterday's price action. And then now same anchor, new low yesterday gave us a rally up into our 75.20 area, and our next in the series setup here into this 75.05, 75.10 area, which gave us a free trade setup already. And we're now looking for downside targets into that 74.30 area for continuation lower. So this stair-stepping that the market does on its way down has created a pattern. It's almost like footsteps in the sand, as I previously mentioned, and we're able to identify where the next potential footstep could be and the next trade setup. So once one trade hits a target, we look for now the pattern to rinse and repeat itself in a same anchor, new low progression that is ultimately taking this trend lower in this current the current leg down. So whatever degree of trend is taking us down off this B wave high can be identified by a setup drawn from a low to a low, a 50% retracement in that dynamic, and looking for the market to head down into new targets. All right, so if we do head above the 75.20 area, 75.25 stop, we're already free. I already booked my plus 15 first target. So if we do get taken out, it's a break-even trade, and at that point in time, we'd be looking for some kind of larger three-wave structure up to retrace the entire decline and at least give us, full back of a full 50% back of the entire retracement. So until that support or that resistance level gives way, we don't look for that full 50% retracement, but it is on our radar, and we are looking for something, potentially to occur here in the near term, and we favor continuation lower in the downside, or to the downside in continuation of the trend to drive this 5-wave structure lower into the 74.30 area at this time. So with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed watching how this Aussie trade has developed. Has not only developed into one setup, but now given us a setup to target, and then now a new free trade after that setup. And we're going to be looking for the trend to continue until it fails. It's as simple as that. Have a great day, everybody. I'll be back with you as price action develops. Be sure to check out the live trading room, one of our 3 live sessions every day, as well as our New York and London session for all of our to get all of our analysis here at EWF. Coming in August, we'll be launching a new educational side to our site. On August 13th, our first big educational seminar will be held, so please do check that out if you've liked what you've seen here today. There's only more where this came from. So have a great day, everybody, and we'll be back with you tomorrow and as price action develops. Take care.